In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fortnite to Steam as non-Steam game on PC. By the end, you'll be able to launch Fortnite straight from your Steam library, keep everything in one place, and take advantage of Steam's overlay and organization. First, open Steam on your PC. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so your library loads properly. Once Steam is open, click the Library tab at the top. This is where all your games and shortcuts live, and it's where we'll create a clean entry for Fortnite. Look toward the bottom left corner of the library window and click Add a Game. From the small menu that appears, choose Add a Non-Steam Game. This tells Steam you want to add a program that wasn't purchased through Steam but should still appear and launch from the library. A window will pop up showing programs Steam can detect on your computer. If Fortnite doesn't appear automatically, click Browse to point Steam directly to the game's executable file. The most common path is on your main drive under Program Files, then Epic Games, Fortnite, Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64. Inside that Win64 folder, look for Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping.exe. That's the file you want. If you installed Fortnite on a different drive, follow the same folder structure there. When in doubt, you can search your PC for that exact file name to locate it. Once you've found it, select it, make sure the box next to it is checked in the list, and click Add Selected Programs. Steam will create a shortcut in your library that launches Fortnite through that executable. Back in your library, you'll now see a new Fortnite entry. Right-click it and choose Properties. Here, you can tidy things up for better organization. You can rename the shortcut to something simple like Fortnite, which makes it easier to find, especially if you keep a large library. You can also set a custom icon or artwork so it matches the rest of your collection and looks clean on your shelves. This is optional, but it's a nice touch if you want everything to appear polished. That's it. Thanks for watching.